we are seeing a big increase in Gen Y and millennials struggling to interact with others face to face. At our events, younger people are asking us to teach them how to read body language to see if the other person likes them, and how they can learn to be more open and use body language to make people feel special. We now have a generation of people who lack communication social skills. New research, 2017, has revealed that Gen Y have around 10% less connections in the brain that identify emotions in others than their parents have. So Gen Y and millennials are less likely to know if you're upset, or if you really like them, or if you're angry at them. They just don't. The arrival of visual Skype-type calls is reintroducing a new dimension to face-to-face communication. It allows you to intently analyse the other person's face by staring, something you couldn't do in a real face-to-face encounter. Body language accounts for 60 to 80% of all human interaction in face-to-face encounters, and this is being lost in texting and messaging. It is, however, making a dramatic comeback in visual Skype calls and FaceTime.